Do you ever feel like time is moving too fast and your mind can't keep up? Sometimes we move past things so quickly that we only take a surface look and miss their depth. We see, but we don't really see. Snowflakes always remind me of moments like this. From a distance, they look simple, almost identical, a quiet field of white. But when you slow down, when you look a little closer, you realize that none of them are truly repeated. Welcome to Once Upon a Fold. I am Mariam, and where I am right now, it's winter. Winter for me is not an empty season. It's a quieter one. A time when the world asks less of us. When things don't need to be loud to matter. After the business of the new year, after the lights, the noise, and all those short moments of excitement, life begins to soften. Everything slows down just enough for us to notice what we usually overlook. Snowflakes may look alike at first, but each one carries its own structure, its own quiet order. They don't compete, they don't rush, they don't try to become something else. They simply fall, find their place, and become part of something larger. And maybe after all the resolutions and expectations, we become a little like snowflakes too. There are moments when no one is cheering anymore, when no one is waiting for a big transformation from us, and even we ourselves feel tired of pushing. But maybe that moment is not failure. Maybe it's a pause, a chance to continue more gently, without measuring ourselves by speed or visibility. Maybe we don't always need to be faster, or more productive, or ahead of everyone else. Maybe it's enough to simply be where we are. Winter doesn't rush us. It doesn't demand answers. It quietly gives us permission to slow down, to notice details, to accept differences, to belong without needing to prove anything. This paper snowflake is not meant to last forever. It isn't even real, but it can be a small reminder that our story isn't always written in big beginnings or dramatic change. Sometimes the most important thing is simply continuing, even slowly, holding your shape, keeping your inner balance, staying true to who you are. When I fold this snowflake from a simple sheet of paper, when my hands move in rhythm with my mind, I return to a calmer pace, away from the noise, away from the rush. If you feel like it, stay with me. Fold your snowflake and celebrate what makes you unique. Let this be a small moment to slow down, to notice, and to remember. Sometimes all we need is to look a little closer and clear our minds softly, like fresh snow. Thank you for watching and being with me.